Ladies, have you ever announced that you're going on a diet? Or even worse, that you're going to lose a specific number of pounds, and then you didn't? You didn't even lose 5. You felt shame, embarrassment, and humiliation as a result. Well, the same thing happens in business every day of the week. But in business, it affects your ability to monetize your life, not just your ability to fit into your little black dress. Today, we're going to flip the script on a sacred cow, accountability partners, because sometimes moving in silence is the most powerful move you can make. We've all heard it. Get an accountability partner, someone to check in, push you, hold you to your word. And it doesn't matter if you're starting a business or trying to lose 25 pounds because it sounds good, right? It's a plausible concept. But here's the twist. For some of us, announcing our plans too early can backfire, and I am the poster child for this. When we share our goals, our brain gets a quick hit of dopamine, like we've already accomplished something. And that little tiny hit, it can kill the drive before we even get started. That's because accountability can feel like momentum. But when we tell people too soon, the pressure can shift from motivating to paralyzing. Now it's not just, can I do this? It's, what will they think if I don't? What if I fail again? And when things don't go to plan, because they won't at first, we end up feeling worse. Embarrassed, small, maybe even tempted to quit altogether. Even worse, our professional reputation can take a hit. If you're always starting something new and never following through, your peers may stop taking your announcements very seriously. And that's the kind of credibility hit that's very tough to repair. So consider this. There's power in quiet execution, in starting something and building it without fanfare, in doing the work before announcing the win. That's not secrecy, that's self-leadership. When no one is watching, your only accountability is you. That's where grit lives. That's where true confidence is born. Not in proving something, but in becoming someone. Now, I'm not saying never share your goals, but choose when and with whom. Pick partners who respect process over performance, who won't cheer too early or judge too quickly. Sometimes the most powerful accountability comes after the action, after the proof, after the progress. So next time you're tempted to broadcast your plan, pause. Try moving in silence. Let your results speak. And remember, building your empire doesn't require a crowd, just courage. Please hit like if this one hit home, and subscribe for more real talk systems and strategy, and share this with someone who needs to learn to build quietly.